How to do it. Let me show you how to do it. Hi guys, so this is my 2024 Harley Davidson Sportster S, and what I'm doing today is polishing my tank. So what happened was my kid, my 9-year-old, he was sitting around and playing on the bike with his jeans with some stuff on there, and he ended up scraping some. So I'm going to show you guys, I can see some swirl marks in the bike he ended up getting. So as you can see, and he's been doing it for a few days. I just noticed that. So what I'm going to be doing is kind of polishing that surface and getting rid of all those swirl marks and make it look nice and shiny. So for that, what I'm going to be using is this is polisher. It's a 6-inch random orbital, so it's by Gross Garage. And this thing is pretty cool because the way it works is, you can see, notice it does not do circle, but it does like random patterns. So it helps with not burning the paint, because if you get something that just turns around, most likely you're going to damage your paint. And then I'm using this polishing compound, and this is by Turtlex, and we're going to be applying that. And this is something that I've tested before, so it's great for tiny scratches and marks and things like that. So since I don't really have too much scratches on mine, it's like light surface scratches, so I think it's going to work out great. This type of swirl marks. So a lot of this happens, if you wash your bike, with the brush and stuff like that too. But either way, we're going to get rid of all those, and let's get going. Okay, so the very first thing we're going to do is apply some compound onto the tank itself. So just like that. I'm just going to do small sections, so apply some here. As you can see, I taped it so it does not get on the plastic, but you may want to do that as well. And I removed the seat so it's not damaging the seat as well. And you can do the side tanks as well. That is Harley Davidson. That's nothing but just paint. Alright, so let's set the speed to low. On this guy, there's a speed thing dial at the very bottom. 1 or 2, so I'm just going to leave it on 1. And start. And I also applied this. I forgot to show it in the camera, but I did apply some compound right there. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some and do it on the side as well. Just like that, and you can just spread it. Working. My son is asking what I'm doing. Okay, so let's do it on this side as well. And then what you can do is increase the speed. I'm going to do 2. Yes. Yes. Okay, and at this point you can see the result by just rubbing this and see how it looks, how well it looks. If you see any, you see some minor marks, so I may have to do it again in this area. A lot better. Yes. A lot better?
Yeah.
Minor scratches are gone. Also have this product. This is a scratch X remover, so if you have a little bit more deeper scratches, you can try to remove it with this thing.
Yeah.
So this one right there, let's try to remove it. A little bit better. It's a little bit deeper scratch. So there you go. You can see the big difference. All you need to do is just take a clean rag and just wipe it. And let me show you guys what I did. So here you can see the deeper marks that are still there because they're kind of more deeper. There are different ways to get rid of it. You know, you may have to wet sand it, but the minor fine scratches, as you can see, it's all gone. All you have to do is just wipe it. And the camera might not do justice because it's very hard to see, but you just compare it. You really have to buff it for you to see. It's like nice and shiny black. There's no more swirl marks anywhere. What you guys are seeing is the reflection, but there's none if you look at it with the naked eye. It's like really nicely cleaned up. Alright, that's it guys. This is how you get rid of the scratches on the tank. And I'll probably make another video how to get rid of the deep scratches. But this is it for right now. So guys, hopefully you liked the video. Guys, if you like it, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.